Hello, welcome visitors. It's nice to meet you again. On this occasion, I am going to create a program for tuning on and off an escalator motor automatically. First of all, I have to open an application from Omron PLC. Here it is. It's CX Programmer. I double click here. Now the application has been opened. Paste, I click File, click New, and I should fill the first name. RTC, fine, and then I choose device type CP1L, then I choose network type USB, then click OK. Okay, first I am going to create a circuit of 3 phases electric motor. The circuit is in star delta connection. Okay, I get normally close contact. I click and I put it here, and I put the address 0.00. Click OK. Now comment ES. ES means emergency switch. Click OK. Next to the right, I put a normally closed switch again. I put it here. Now I'm writing down the address 0.01. Click OK. The command is stop. Stop button. Click OK. Then next to the right, I put a normally open contact. I click here and put it here. So the address is 0.02. Click OK. Then the command is start. Click OK. Hit a start button. Then I get a horizontal line. I put it here and connect to the right side. Then I get a new coil. Click and put it here. So the address is 100 point. 100 is the channel number of Omron PLC. Then double O. Double O means the first output number of Omron PLC. Click OK. Then you comment main contactor. Main contactor. Then click here and put it here. The address is the same with this address. The output address 100.00. 100.00. Click OK. Main contactor. Click OK. It's used as a locker. Then I get a new PLC instruction. I click here and put it here. The address is TIM space 300 space stage 50. Click OK. The command is timer. Click OK. Then I get a normally open context. I click and I put it here. The address is the same as main contactor address 100.00 100.00. Click OK, and then I get a normally closed contact. I put it here. The address is the same as the timer's address P300. Click OK. Click OK. Then I get a horizontal line. I click here and put it here and connect to the right side, and I get a new coil. Click and put it here. So the address is 100.01. Click OK. Command star contactor. Then I get a normally open contact. Click here and I put it here. So the address is the same as the timer address P300. Click OK, and then I get a horizontal line. Click, put here, connect to the right side, and then I get a new coil. Put it here. The address is 100.02. Click OK. Command delta contactor. Click OK. Now the circuit of 3 phases electric motor has been ready. So I would like to explain how the circuit works. At the time main contactors works, star contactors works too, because the switch of normally open from main contactor close, so the star contactor works too, and the electric motor is running in star connection. 5 seconds later, timers work and the switch of the timer close and causes the delta contactor runs. At the time of the timers start working, the circuit of star contactor has been broken by the timer's switch. so start contactor does not work anymore. But the normally open switch of the timer closed, the delta contactors start running, so the electric motor is running in delta connection. For the second stage, I have to create two comparison instructions in order to make the escalator motor will start running at 9 and stop running at 18 every day automatically. Now I'm going to create the comparison instruction. I get a PLC instruction, click here and put it here, and the address is equal DP space state 38 space A351 space D100. Clear? Okay. Comment hour, minute, second. Clear? Okay. Comment hour, minute, second. Clear? Okay. Then I get a horizontal line, click and put it here and connect to the right side, and I get a new coil, click and put it here. So the address is 200.00. Comment inner relay 1. Yeah, okay. Then I'm going to create the second comparison instruction. I click PLC instruction and put it here. So the address is equal DP space stage 38 space A351 space D110. Clear? Okay. Clear? Okay. Comment hour, minute, second. Clear? Okay. Then I get a horizontal line, put here, connect to the right side. Then I get a new coil, click, put it here. So the address is 200.01. Clear? Okay. Comment inner relay 2. Clear? Okay. The comparison instructions are used to compare the present time A351 with the time in the memory D100 and in the memory D110. So the time setting in D100 is 9 and the time setting in D110 is 18. Because the program will start at 9 in the morning and finish working at 18 in the afternoon. Next, for the set stage, I have to create two move instructions. The move instructions are used to transfer the time setting of 9 from D101 to D100, and to transfer the time setting of 18 from D111 to D110. So the move instructions are also used for backing up the dates in memory D100 and D110 in order not to be lost. Okay, let's continue. To create the two move instructions, first I get normally context, click and put it here. So I choose the kind of the context, P on, click OK, and then I get a horizontal line, I put it here, connect to the right side. Then I get a new PLC instruction, I click and put it here. So the address is MOV space stage 9 space D101. Click OK. Comment time. Okay. Then I get a vertical line, put it here, continue, and then get a horizontal line, put it here, and then connect to the right side. Then I get a new PLC instruction, click and put it here. So the address is MOV space stage 18 space D111. Click OK. Comment time. Click OK. Okay, now I want to minimize the display of this program. I click view, I click zoom out. Okay, visitors. In first move instruction, there is the value of 9. 9 is the setting time that will be transferred to D100. And at the second move instruction, there is the value of 18. It is the setting time will be transferred to D110. So the program will start running at 9 in the morning and stop running at 18 in the afternoon. Okay, let's continue. I want to change the comment of inner relay 1. Let me click here. I change with stop button. And then I want to change the comment at inner relay 2. I double click here. I click here. I change with stop button. Enter. So I will use the switch of coil 200 to be stop button, and I will use the normally closed switch of coil 201 to be stop button. So the program will work automatically. Let's change this start button and the stop button here. I delete it. I get a nobody contact. I put here. So the address is 200.00. Yeah, you can see that the normally open switch of coil 200.00 use as a start button here. Now I'm going to change the stop button. I click delete. I get a new normally closed contact. I put it here. The address is 200.01. The address comes from the coil 200.01 as stop button. The visitors, the program of the escalator motor will start running at 9 and stop running at 18 every day. So we try to simulate the program. I click online simulator button. I click the LC clock. Now you can see the program has been active, but the escalator motor does not work yet. So I want to set the time. Click option, click set PLC clock. I change the time to 9. Double O. The escalator motor will start running exactly at 9. So click OK. Yes, it's running now. For the first, the motor start in start connection, and after 5 seconds the motor runs in delta connection, and then the escalator motor will stop at 18. Click option, set this clock, set the time at 18. Double O. Stop running exactly at 18. Click OK. It's right that the escalator motor has stopped exactly at 18. Okay, let's continue the visitors. I have prepared a HMI program. This is the program. I have to give the address for the all component. This is a escalator motor. The address comes from main contactor 100.00. I click here. I am writing down the address 100.00. Enter. Then indicator for main contactor use the same address like the address is used by this motor. .00 enter, and star contactor. The address is 100.01. The address for star contactor is 100.01. Enter. And the address for delta contactor is 100.02. The address for delta contactor is 100.02. Enter. Then click save all. Now I try to check the address that have been put. 100.00 is correct. 100.00 is correct. 100.01 is correct. 100.02 is correct. Okay, let's see. I want to simulate the program of HMI of up escalator's motor. After the program has been active like this, I should click the button of Start PLC Integrated Simulation. Click here. Okay, I am going to get PLC clock. Then I set the time. I click option, click set PLC clock. I change the time to 9:00 minute 00 second. Now the time on my computer has been set to 9. If I click OK, the motor will run in star connection, so the two indicators will shine. 5 seconds later, the star contactor indicator will be off, but delta contactor indicator will be on. Okay, let's see. Click OK. Five seconds later, star connection will be off, but delta contactor's indicator is on. Then the escalator motor will be off at 18 every afternoon. Now try to set the time. Okay, option, click set the clock, change the time to 18 minute 0 second. If I click OK, the escalator motor will be off. Let's see. Yes, it's right. One more time, I set the click the option, click set PC clock, change the time to 9 and then 0 second. If I click OK, the motor will be on. Click OK. Yes. Click option again, click set PC clock. I want to stop the motor. Of course, I have to set the time to 18. Fill 18 here. 18. 0 minute. 0 second. Click OK. The Escalator motor will be off. Let's see. Click OK. Okay, visitors, that's all what I can explain to you, how to create a program for turning on and off an Escalator motor automatically. Will start running at 9 and stop running at 18 every day. This video could be useful to whom it concerns, and see you later.